Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Doji Nilo no wakwe zonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, anamekelonu. I'm with ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Shakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So shout out to Christina for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Christina to describe herself, talk to me about, basically tell me what her friends would say about her. How would her friends describe her? And she said that her friends would tell me that one of the things that defines her is that she's always been able to bounce back from challenges. So I thought of the perfect name from her. Amarachi. Come on, say it with me. Amarachi. Good. All right, so let's translate that name together, all right? So Amara means like favor or grace. You know what I'm saying? So like things like favor or grace, right? Just any type of positive condition from someone, like grace or favor. And Chi is God, right? Or God's spirit, God's personal spirit for your life. So you put those two together and what do you get? Amarachi, God's favor, right? God's grace. And so the reason why she's able to bounce back from challenges is because she has God's grace in her life. Amarachi. Amarachi's names give them the power to be brave, spontaneous, and very social. All right, so let me know what you think. Did I get the translation right? Do you think this is a fitting name for her also? Let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing what you guys have to say. So like this video, like I said, leave me a comment below. Share this video with all the Amarachis that you know. And don't forget to basically subscribe to this YouTube channel. Continue to support it if you want to see more things. And hit the bell button if you want to get a notification every time I post a new YouTube video. Don't forget to hit my Instagram DM in the description box below. And let me know what you think about this Igbo Name of the Day series. If you would like your own Igbo name, let me know and I'll gift you one. And if you are Igbo, let me know and I will feature your name with the next Igbo Name of the Day. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.